Welcome to the New York State Board of Elections webinar training series for the new web-based electronic filing system, abbreviated EFS. My name is Kathleen McGrath, and with me is my colleague, Kate Orsino. We are the Campaign Finance Training Specialists within the Compliance Unit at the New York State Board of Elections. Over the last several years, the New York State Board of Elections has created, developed, and tested a new web-based system for filers. This means that the EFS software is no longer a desktop application to be installed on your computer. The system is accessed via a website. Therefore, if you have an internet connection, no matter the device, desktop computer, laptop, tablet, or mobile phone, you can access your candidate or committee record and fulfill your filing obligations. This new system has been created with easy filer use in mind. It is also a one-stop shop for disclosure. Filers will be able to use this one system to file itemized reports, as well as no activity reports, weekly and 24-hour notices, in lieu of statements, campaign materials, and notices of non-participation. Filers will no longer need to email in some disclosure and submit other disclosure through our website. We have created a series of short videos for filers to learn how to use the new web-based system. The videos may be watched one right after the other as a full training session about the new EFS, or you may simply watch the topics which pertain to specific questions you may have. As always, staff at the New York State Board of Elections is always happy and ready to assist you. Our Campaign Finance Call Center may be reached at 518-474-8200. For technical assistance, our IT Help Desk may be reached at 518-473-4803. We will start by describing how filers will set up their accounts with the new EFS. Over the past year, the board has worked to verify email addresses for all filers. That is because an email address is required to use the new EFS. A filer will log in using an email address and a password. With the new system, filers will no longer use their current alphanumeric filer IDs and PINs. Each filer will be assigned a new filer ID made up of only numbers. The email address and user-created password will replace the PIN. All filers, upon registration, will receive an email from the New York State Board of Elections with a link to activate their account. The filer will click on Login Now to create, confirm, and save the account's password. The filer will be prompted to sign in with their email address, click Next, and then create a password, choose Authentication method, and click Next as Kate is showing. The account can be authenticated with a code sent by either an email or text message. We will choose email here. The filer will then see a screen saying an email has been sent to the email address on record to authenticate the user's identity. At this point, the filer should go into his or her email account to retrieve that code. The new web-based software uses what is called two-step verification for account sign-in from a new device. Using a service called Idaptive, the filer is emailed or sent via text message a numeric code to confirm the user's identity. This is called multi-factor authentication and is an added layer of security for the filer and its data. Here we show what this email looks like. The filer can click Continue with Authentication or simply copy the code and paste it back into the browser page that we previously displayed. Kate is clicking on the Continue with Authentication link. After clicking the link or entering the code in manually, the screen will display Authentication Successful. The filer may close the tab to return to the browser session. Once the filer's account has been created, The filer will see its new filer ID and committee name populated on the screen after login. If an individual is treasurer for multiple committees, he or she may use a single email address and password. The filer IDs and corresponding committee names will be available via a drop-down menu upon login. And that's it. Once you have created your account, set up your password, and confirmed your identity using multi-factor authentication, you are ready to use the new web-based EFS software. Thank you for watching this training video. Subsequent videos will go over topics such as the filer dashboard, data entry based on transaction type, submitting notifications and reports, amending reports, providing supporting documentation, and campaign materials. If you have any questions, our Campaign Finance Call Center may be reached at 518-474-8200. For technical assistance, our IT Help Desk may be reached at 518-473-4803.